We don't get arrested here. Go. Up, a little further. I'll fall off the curb here. Up. Time out. Oh my God! Oh no! Smile! Elvis will be here tonight. Elvis will be here. Will you be here for Elvis? Tell me, folks, will you be here for Elvis?
Yes, we will be, baby.
Yes.
Yes,
Not
we will be.
Beavis, Elvis.
Yes, we're baby.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Uh-oh, sorry. I'm going to walk into the wall now. Will you be here for Elvis? I like that. Yes. I'm going to get her. I'm going to get her on film. I'm going to catch her. Elvis will be here. Elvis will be here.
He's really good. I'd die. I would die for the dollar bill, Mark.
I've been doing too much cocaine. Okay, what do we got over here?
I feel a presence